lubere ana jolo an nyeore a Michael Page ane dio min pa mi wendo kum ikange mene ilo tino ko ko binu kanyo na ngutu da wenda Chao Kiman and Yurunye, you know, more than
Park Road, Anya Wilokech, Anya Latin Madid, I'm a lawyer by profession, and a Jolo waiting for you. For you, good afternoon to everyone. I am Nancy Lokech.
I'm called Niao Chen Emmanuel Lokech. Yeah, Joel Wenda.
Thank you all for coming. My name is Mary Lokech.
Mando tino, Apollo well, but Aziel, Magubi, Bantum Biotio, Daimon, no Roman, secondary, Robin. Ada biru jutu mapere da ini da moja jaki ba mio anyara di promoti di High Court judge di Uganda man wakoyo ba pire in wangeni ko to endo vere oti wakoyo do bera di lo makon ako dan weng magubino diope minyayo modal di daw di maran ko mera ko mate di la mega wamene bagi di kanto ni wala wala ngi ngi ama ni pun moda baby na magi kan aja ya ko yiri ya apa itu kan? Ada mau dari lapan pol, ada di Megawati, ikan, meraju dan mana Megawati, meraju juga orang ni kau ada orang Megawati.
Late Archbishop, late Bishop, Archdeacon, all the clergy, our dear chief guest who is still on his way, Honorable Minister around, all protocols observed. I greet you all in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. I'll just say a few things. Today marked exactly 3 years when our dear hero, our father, our friend, our husband, my dear husband, left us. We dearly miss him. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Thank you all so much for your support to us since he left us. And I know you are not going to give up on us. Beloved, when our
year one left, he left us with our work to complete. He has a dream to set up the hospital in Pade for northern Uganda. So in this very occasion, we celebrate his life. We have also a memorial tournament that we celebrate his life, and we hold a tournament to look for resources to support this dream. We call upon all of you, all Uganda and any other support group. Let us support this dream to set up this hospital. I know with your support, you have a record with God. Let's join hands together and see that this dream come to pass. We'd like to thank you people so much for all your sacrifices, all your support that you granted to us. I know you have a special thing for him to give all that you have given. And I know you are not going to get tired. Let's continue to stand together and we make this dream of building a hospital come to pass. I would like to thank so much the Bishop for coming. I thank you so much, the Bishop, for coming. Our chief guest, who is still on the way, we thank him. Honorable Minister who is around, the MPs, the generals, we thank you all for coming. And we thank so much the division commander who supported us with a lot of resources. We would like to thank so much I'd like to thank so much all of you for standing with us since we left us. I thank so much the district leaders for all your contribution. We thank you. You did a great work to support this day. We would like to thank so much the people, our dear flag, for all the support, the word, and everybody. We thank so much all the radio station for all your contribution on this function. I really do not have so much to say. I end here. May God bless you.
Ora kwa mega uberpona da wai mo me bikin gi me kwanya yu kwa me pero iden. No ka ma wai radio station di mo ni lo ka ha. Ni ma won ni mo wai kwa boy. Ba me yu ka boy.
Before we attack, Buon Pajo, Chairman, Waluon, Bon Kom Lekara.